Hello, this is Bitcoin Brandon back, and this is some interesting news. This is from CoinDesk. It says, correction, not a crash. Bitcoin price eyes $3,000 as traders take profits. Now, this was done last night. A lot can happen in 12 hours. So let's, as a reporting of this, Bitcoin is currently at 34.38, while as it was at 3,800. So it lost $400 in value since this article. So let's read this article. The Bitcoin US dollar exchange rate fell below $4,000 on Tuesday, extending losses in the overnight trade to hit a 3-week low of $3,781. At press time, the cryptocurrency is trading at 38.44 levels, which amounts to a 25% drop from the record high of 5,000 hit on September 2nd. Perhaps more notably, month on month, the BTC is now trading dead flat for the first time since June. Rumor has it Bitcoin is feeling the pinch of speculation that the Chinese government is launching a crackdown on exchanges. A few others are blaming JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon's scathing attack on Bitcoin for the meltdown in the prices seen today. But while these events could factors, neither explain the current market activity. News that China is planning to ban exchange trading has been in the air since Friday. Following a drop to $4,000 over the weekend, BTC regained poise as Chinese government kept mum on the issue. Experts dismissed the idea that an exchange ban would be long-run negative for Bitcoin, as over-the-counter market will continue to flourish. Thus, Bitcoin regained bid and moved to 43.50, 43.80 levels in the first 2 days of the week. Meanwhile, JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon's negative comments on Bitcoin are hardly surprising. Investment banks have always been critical of the cryptocurrencies. Moreover, JP Morgan is not a crypto bigwig. Thus, Dimon's comments are a big hit across the wires, but would hardly matter to Bitcoin traders. Euphoria not reached. As we analyze the current markets, it's important to remember bull markets are built on fear and skepticism, while major market tops are the product of extreme euphoria. I think he meant to say bear markets. Most investment banks have been and still call Bitcoin a scam. Every week, we see some stock market expert drawing parallels between Bitcoin rally and stock market bubbles seen over the last 100 years. Thus, despite the 416% year-to-date gains in Bitcoin, it is safe to say there are no signs of euphoria. In fact, the first sign of Bitcoin nearing a major top would be investment banks boarding the cryptocurrency freight train. More likely then is that what we're seeing now is a technical pullback. Following a stupendous rally, investors are looking for reasons to take profit. Technical outlook, watch $3,000. The chart above shows a bearish price RSI divergence on September 2nd has followed by symmetrical triangle breakdown, head and shoulders breakdown. The symmetrical triangle, which can also be referred to as a coil, usually forms during a trend as a continuation pattern. The pattern contains at least 2 lower highs and 2 higher lows. The head and shoulders is a reversal pattern that, when formed, signals a security, in this case Bitcoin, is likely to move against the previous trend. The HNS neckline, the line drawn from left shoulder bottom and right shoulder bottom, support has been breached. A break below the neckline level has confirmed bullish to bearish trend reversal. Scope for a drop to $3,000. The HNS breakdown has opened doors for a sell-off to $3,000, which is the target, as per the measured height method. Difference between head and shoulder peak $5,000 and neckline support $4,000 is subtracted from the neckline support. Corrective rally to be capped around $4,150 levels. The stochastic and the RSI are oversold, which is a condition in which the price of an underlying asset has fallen sharply due to market overreaction or panic selling. It is usually followed by a corrective rally, thus a brief correction to 4150. Former neckline support will now act as a resistance could be seen. Only a break above 4400, resistance offered by the trend line drawn from September 2nd high and September 8 high, will revive the bullish view. I just learned something new. I trade on cryptocurrency as well. I like that. I don't have to implement that. Bitcoin Brandon, out.